Hold on. Let me adjust this. Take some echo off, volume down. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Anything But ASIC. And today, it's happening. It's happening. Is this happening? Is this happening? Are we just in the bull run for Dogecoin? No, we're not. Look at the coin cap, the coin count. I'm sorry. Look at the coin count. About to 9,990 projects counted on CoinGecko. There was a brief dip, did a little bit lower than that, and now they're back. I assume an exchange came online, but we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about El Favorito, Litecoin. That's right, Litecoin, and where'd it go? There we go. Litecoin has pushed past this $100 barrier, and it seems to just be going to the moon. Is this the halvening? Is this the halvening pumping? I don't know. We're about to find out. By the way, still doing everything offline. We don't need no internet here. Let's see. Let's find out. Let's dig into some articles to see some latest articles. You know, maybe come out 2-3 hours ago. To see what's going on with Litecoin. Why is it pumping? Is it just a halvening, or is there something more to it? Litecoin LTC bounces strongly as bulls brush off brief retreat. Litecoin price bounced strongly to see bulls hit a 14-month high near $110. Litecoin has last traded at these prices in April 2022 and could hit a new multi-year highs as the Litecoin halving approaches. Prices fell to $84 earlier in the day after markets reacted negatively to the news about spot Bitcoin ETFs. But we don't care about Bitcoin here. Bitcoin's gone. It's time for the new. Litecoin is still poised for more upside action after an enforced breather pushed LTC back to lows of $84 on Friday. A strong rebound for Litecoin in the last few minutes had buyers eyeing $110 even as the cryptocurrency reached its highest level since April 2022. What happened to the LTC price today? Litecoin had surged to highs of 103 earlier in the day as bulls looked to breach a level last reached in mid-February. However, the momentum was briefly halted as the broader market reacted to the news report that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission had provided feedback on recently filed spot Bitcoin ETFs, indicating the filings were inadequate. As reported here, Bitcoin briefly fell below 30K as the market injected sell-off pressure. But there has been some kind of swift rebound for Bitcoin as buyers wrote on the details of the quick feedback from the SEC. BlackRock, Fidelity, and other asset managers have recently submitted applications for a spot Bitcoin ETF. Will need to refile with the SEC. Specifically, they have to clearly point out which spot crypto exchange provider they have a market surveillance sharing agreement with. Surveillance, huh? LTC price bullish ahead of halving. LTC positive outlook is down to a new fundamental key factor. The network's upcoming halving will only be days away now that July begins. The countdown to the halving shows that the highly anticipated event is expected at block 2,520,000 on August 2nd, 2023. The network's third halving after 2015 and 2019 will see a block reward reduced from 12.5 to 6.25 LTC. Amid the exuberance about potential price growth, hash rate recently rose to its all-time high of 958.36 data hash. CoinWars data indicates the milestone was reached on June 28, 2023 at block 2,499,942,000 with the price near $110 and having event around the corner. LTC price could rise to $200 pre-halving. Post-halving, its all-time high of $400 that could be a nice target for the bulls. We'll see. Will Litecoin finally hit its 4,000 mark where it should be? Or will Bitcoin Cash overtake it? Let's see. And as far as this is happening, this right here, where this hash rate is just coming out of nowhere, I'm a little bit worried about that. Are you a little bit worried about that? Is new miners coming online to sell? Is the new L would be L9s that Bitmain hasn't told you about? Are they coming out of the woodworks? Let us know. Let us know. Let us know. Now, in the spirit of keeping things offline, we're just gonna read this in HTML because it's not gonna pull up any other way. I assume they did some React, Vue, PHP, probably sorcery here, and we can't get JavaScript to render. So we're just gonna go ahead and just read it like this because this is the offline world, baby, and this is how it works. That's how it sure works. Litecoin LTC routes up exciting quarter with record record 500,000 daily transactions. Litecoin LTC closes eventfully quarter with record 500,000 daily transactions. Covers disclaimer: this opinion expressed here is not investment advice. Just know, this is not financial advice I'm giving. I'm just reading the news. I'm just reading the Litecoin news. Okay. According to Into the Block, Litecoin saw an eventful quarter as it set a new record in transactional count. Into the Block shares a quarterly update on Litecoin, nothing that the network processed over 500,000 daily transactions for the first time in a quarter. It notes that this continues to close the number of daily Bitcoin transactions. Comes close to the number of daily Bitcoin transactions for May. Quarterly update: Litecoin had an exciting quarter. The network processed over 500,000 daily transactions for the first time in a quarter. It came close to the number of daily Bitcoin transactions for the entire month of May. Litecoin has had an exciting quarter, reaching new milestones, EDX markets, and new crypto exchanges that launched last week, and is backed by big Wall Street heavyweights, Charles Schwab's, Citadel Securities, and Fidelity Digital Assets. All people that shouldn't be trusted with crypto. Has opted to allow its traders, institutional investors only, to start trading with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Oh, that explains the Bitcoin Cash pump. The Litecoin mining hash rate has been steadily increasing, reaching new all-time highs. In a tweet of June 27th, the Litecoin Foundation announced that the blockchain hash rate has reached an all-time high of 957.22 data hash. According to the tweet, this update was a direct indication of the LTC network's steady, healthy, and maturing growth, as well as Litecoin network security. Another positive development for Litecoin blockchain is the upcoming halving. The Dirt Litecoin halving event is anticipated to take place on or around August 2nd, 2023. Current Litecoin block reward halving 12.5 LTC is decreased 16.25 LTC. Litecoin saw its first halving on August 25th, 2015. A block height of 840,000, while the second halving event occurred at a block height of 1,680,000 on August 5th, 2019. The crypto market is now anticipating Litecoin's impending halving event, a block height of 1,680,000 on August 5th, 2019. The second halving event took place. Now the crypto market waits expectantly for Litecoin approaching halving event. Apparently Dash completes a halving as well. On June 30th, Litecoin had a big rise, and as demonstrated by a massive green candlestick. The LTC price climbed from 83 to 103 before slightly retreating to where it presently trades. Litecoin was up 14.16% in the last 24 hours to $97.53 at the time of writing. Following the impressive price surge with a market capitalization of $7.1 billion, Litecoin has entered the top 10 in cryptocurrencies. And just ends it there. That's kind of strange. But anyways, yay. Litecoin's finally cracked the top 10. It's past Tron. It's in front of Bitcoin Cash. And is nibbling on Dogecoin finally. Litecoin is finally starting to shine. Now, let's see if the big money wants Litecoin up here. They're finally going to acknowledge that Litecoin is probably the way to go. Litecoin is cash. We should be using it as such. Let's see. What are your thoughts on this? Do you like how I'm doing this offline? How we don't see any ads when I do things offline? Where's the ads? Where are they? Nowhere. Are you like this setup? Or do you think I should just go AI and just have AI read you the news like everybody else? Let me know in the comments. And I'll see you guys later. And by the way, thanks for all your subscribers. Let's celebrate Litecoin together by actually using it as a currency. Yes, the rug for the banks and the off ramps have been swept from under at least the Americans' legs, from what I understand, reading some other articles later on. Markets are well and open in other countries. So, you ever just wanted to get out of the United States, it's probably a good time. Probably a good time. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you guys some other time.